10 ways to get 99% financially ahead of most people in 2026. Do you want to get 99% financially ahead of most people in 2026? Today, I'm revealing 10 powerful strategies that almost no one follows. If you apply even half of these, you'll be on a completely different financial trajectory by the end of the year. Why most people stay behind. Most people stay broke or stagnant because they follow the crowd. They spend impulsively, avoid investing, and never focus on financial growth. The strategies I'm about to share are simple but extremely effective. They separate the financially aware from the average person. Track every dollar you spend. The first step to getting ahead is knowing where every dollar goes. Tracking your money is not optional, it's essential. Most people lose hundreds, even thousands each month on unnoticed expenses. Track your spending weekly, categorize it, and identify leaks. Only then can you redirect money toward growth and investments. Actionable example. Use apps like Mint or YNAB, create 3 categories: needs, wants, investments. Automate savings and investments. Don't rely on willpower, automate. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts. This habit ensures you never miss a contribution and your money grows without you even thinking about it. Example, $100 per month automatically into ETFs or index funds. Weekly emergency fund transfers. Learn about money daily. Financial literacy compounds like money. Read, listen, and learn about money daily. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day can put you ahead of most people in a year. Learn about investing, budgeting, passive income, and wealth psychology. Actionable step. Commit to 1 financial book per month. Follow credible finance channels or podcasts. Start investing early. Start investing now. Time is your greatest ally. The earlier you invest, the more compound interest works for you. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow faster than those who start late. Example, $50 to $100 per week in index funds. Diversify with stocks, bonds, or real estate. 5. Create multiple income streams. Relying on one income source is risky. Wealthy people diversify. Side hustles, digital businesses, passive income. Even small extra income streams accelerate your financial growth. Example, freelance work, investing in dividend stocks, online courses. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, your spending often grows too. Most people never get ahead because of lifestyle inflation. Keep your expenses controlled, save the extra, and invest it. The wealthy live below their means, even after big raises. Actionable step. Set a fixed percentage of raises to invest or save. Avoid buying things just because your income increased. Surround yourself with financially smart people. Your environment shapes your financial future. Surround yourself with people who are ambitious and financially knowledgeable. Network, learn from mentors, and adopt strategies from those already ahead. This accelerates your growth and prevents costly mistakes. Actionable step. Join one online finance community. Attend one networking event or seminar per month. Way 8. Set micro-financial goals. Set achievable financial milestones. Don't just say, "I want to be rich." Break it into concrete goals. Save $1,000 this month. Invest $100 weekly, or pay off $500 debt. Micro goals build confidence and measurable progress. Actionable step. Write down 3 financial goals this month. Track progress weekly. Way 9. Protect your money and assets. Getting ahead also means protecting what you already have. Have an emergency fund, insurance, and legal protections. Avoid high-risk debt or unnecessary expenses. Many people make money but lose it due to poor planning. Example: emergency fund equals 3 to 6 months of expenses. Health, auto, or life insurance. Way 10. Practice discipline and patience. Finally, discipline and patience. Wealth isn't built overnight. Stick to your plan, reinvest profits, avoid impulsive spending, and remember that consistency compounds faster than sporadic efforts. The 99% of people never wait. They quit too early. Actionable step: create a 12-month financial plan. Track weekly and stay committed. Those are the 10 ways to get 99% financially ahead of most people in 2026. Start applying them today. Even one habit can shift your financial trajectory. Comment below which habit you'll start first. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more strategies to grow your money and reach financial freedom faster.